Ready to extend your home network with Powerline technology? Want to connect an Xbox, a TiVo, or other Ethernet-enabled digital media device for smooth video streaming and gaming? If you already have a legacy Powerline device connected to a router, this lone plug will not connect to additional higher speed adapters. The difference is on the inside. Don't get your wires crossed. Get connected.
Not all Powerline technology is plug and play.
Different generations of the same technology cannot communicate. When you add additional higher speed adapters, you cannot extend your network. The result is that you cannot simultaneously run applications such as watching a video while downloading emails. You cannot build a digital home. The difference is on the inside, in the chip. Why waste time and money? Ask for plug-tested product from the Universal Powerline Association. DS2-enabled UPA technology for hassle-free connectivity lets your network do the talking. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your connected home. Plug into Powerline with UPA. DS2, connecting the planet.